Have you ever gotten a lead on a property or bought a property that's already partially renovated, wind up hitting the mark, or you wind up coming across it buying a half-finished project? Here are 4 things that you need to look out for if you're doing this. First thing you want to do is once you close on it, you want to get a pressure test done on any gas lines and plumbing lines. This is very, very important because if there are leaks in those lines, you want to make sure you know about that before you go putting gas or water in those lines. Next thing you want to do is have an electrician do a detailed check inspection of your electrical service, not just the service cable, all the wiring throughout the property. It pays to invest a few to several $100s to make sure the electrical is up to par. Third thing you want to look for is permits. Were permits pulled in the work? If not, call City Hall, Township, whatever it is, and ask them, say, listen, this work was done, have them into the property the day you close on it so they know you weren't trying to pull anything over, any wool over their eyes, right? It pays to be above board. The fourth and last thing you want to look at is if they were installing windows and siding on the property before you bought the property, it's worth it to have your contractor take off a couple pieces of siding, make sure those windows were installed correctly. The last thing you want is to have leaky windows, leaky walls, and rotten drywall 10 months from now after you've sold the property because the previous owner didn't install the windows correctly. That's just 4 things to check if you're buying a half-renovated property. By the way, I'm 5 minutes up the road from where I'm standing right now. I bought a half-renovated property from a wholesaler who got paid a big fat $30,000 assignment fee for wholesaling me this house. If you've got a deal anywhere near Philadelphia, send it my way. I'd love to write you a big fat check as well.